Let me show you how to tie this beautiful beginner-friendly Ashoke gele together. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can achieve this beautiful head wrap that is beginner friendly. It is Operation Do It Yourself DIY. So you grab your Ashoke from front to back in the division of 50-50. You can make some plates. If you are not comfortable with plates, you can skip this process. You are still going to achieve a beautiful outcome. So I just make like 3 plates in front, and then I'm making sure that that plate is feasible by arranging it. As you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing here. And I have 1, 2, 3 plates that is feasible in front. So I take my Ashoke material, and then I'm going to be making a gather rough plate, not a neat plate. If you are the type that have enough time, you can do a neat plate, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are just doing a gather rough plate to achieve the style that we want to achieve. Because remember, it is do it yourself and we don't want to waste time. It is about quick and simple style that you can do on your own. Nothing complicated in this style. So we don't want to complicate it more than is necessary. So we want to make sure it's something you can grasp as a beginner that is learning how to tie gele. So I make another ruffle pin after I pin down that end, and then this time around, instead of taking it to the back and pin it down and form a round gele, I decided to stop it right there and then put a rubber band or ear tie to hold it in place. Then I'm using my pin to secure that part in place to the base of the gele. Then I flip over the flare over the rubber band, and I'm just going to make a quick ruffle and tuck it in. You can use your pin to secure it, but I decided to make use of that rubber band to limit the number of pins that I'm using for this style, because yes, you will definitely need pins for this style. So you see the way I ruffle it, then I'm going to pin down that end. Now that end is secure, I am just using my hand to arrange, making sure my ruffle stays the right place, and see where else I need to pin down. So I pin down that spot too, then I'm arranging my ruffle. Then I see a loose end right there, so I'm going to be using my pin to secure again. We want this gele to stand firm without disappointing us. So we're just making sure we secure the securables. And that's it, guys. I'm using my bunch to cover that rubber band. If you're using a matching rubber band with your fabric, you might not need to do that, because I'm using a rubber band that doesn't match my fabric. So I use my bunch to cover it up. And we are done with this simple head wrap, guys. That's it. Let me know what you think. Rate this gele style on a scale of 0 to 10. What number are you going to give it? You are set and ready to go rock that owanbe. So I'm just going to cover up the back and use a pin to hold it in place. If you're wearing like a ponytail, you might want to leave that back open. And that's it. It is as simple as ABC. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Please do share this video with your loved ones. Let them also learn how to do DIY gele head wrap. And if you are watching me, you have not followed this page, do endeavor to follow us for more awesome videos. See you in my next